If you're planning a kitchen remodel, stop right here. Choosing the wrong one could instantly date your entire kitchen. Let's talk about what to avoid in 2025 and what to do instead. Number one countertop that's basically kind of going out of style already, it's going to be something that's like flaky, something like this here. So a flaky countertop is not really seen anymore. You don't want to do this in your house. This is more commercial based. You could probably see this at Starbucks or something like that. Most common place you're going to see this style is going to be in a garage finish. Don't use this one anymore. Try something different. The number two thing that we're not seeing anymore in trends is going to be a speckled granite. Now this here has the little speckles on it. Granite is naturally dark. Unless you got good lighting, you might want to do this. I would do this in a bar, but in a kitchen, I would start getting away from this. There's a lot of nicer stuff you could use out there. Number three that's going out of style is going to be something that's very high gloss. I personally don't like a high gloss in your kitchen. Yeah, the grain looks nice. The veins on the countertop look very nice, but something like this will look really good in your bathroom vanity. I really wouldn't do it in the kitchen just because it could probably scratch real easy. But if you want to do something like this, you really enjoy the high gloss, put it in your bathroom. The bathroom vanities look really nice. Doesn't get that much beating like a kitchen does. One trend, get it out of there. No more high gloss in your kitchen. Before you choose any finishes, make sure you know what you can actually afford and where your budget makes the biggest difference. We put together a free kitchen renovation budget guide that breaks down what you can get at every price level from 5K to 50K. Grab it now. The link is in the description. Another trend that's kind of dying out in the kitchens that you don't want to do is just an ornate, too much detail on your kitchen. Something like this that just has a lot of detail. It's not as popular anymore. Right now, what's real popular is more of a nice miter cut, little square with a little edge on the inside. But once you start going with more detail on it, you go with a double OG. I think it's just getting a little outdated. Stay sleek, stay nice and clean. A nice little miter cut on your countertop will go a long way. Number five that I think you should really get away from in your kitchen countertops is going to be a Formica top. A laminate top, we all know it as Formica. Get rid of that. Unless you're putting it into a rental and you really don't care and you want to replace it after the tenants go out, don't put it in your kitchen. If you're going to have it in your house, I know it's low cost, low budget, but don't put it in your house. Go with something a little different. Don't do it. If you put a sink in there, it's gonna get messed up within a couple years, maybe less than a year. You'll start getting water damage on your countertop just because it is particle board on laminate. You don't want to do that. Go ahead and invest into the stone. It'll look a lot nicer. Now that you know what countertop trends are fading fast, what about everything else in the kitchen? Watch this next video right here. It's your full guide to the kitchen trends coming in hot for 2025.